What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and promote anything using blogs, or you can go and do some earning from that as well. So let's go ahead and let me tell you one thing. Blog is free and it's a Google product. Just like YouTube is a Google product, Android is a Google product, blog is also a Google product. So it's free for you to use. So let's go and let's build some blogs for that. So for that, all you have to do, just Google Blogger, just go and click on that and just sign up. Alright, so I'm not going to show you how you can go and sign up because it's just filling the form and all. So I just created one blog that is about Samsung Galaxy S10. I made a video on that. So this is how my blogs look right now. Alright, so Samsung Galaxy S10 official update. So I'm just telling you what are the updates of Samsung Galaxy S10. It's just rumors. What are the things which is actually going to come with Samsung Galaxy S10. So I just made a video on that. So this is how I'm going to promote that video. So this is how the video looks. You can go and click on play and it will start playing the video. Alright, so I have about Samsung S10. Hey guys, what's up everybody? All of the things which I said in the video is written down below and it's a clear word, so just like a song lyrics. Alright, so this is about what are the captions I said in the video. I talked about new sims and what are the things which has been updated in the Samsung S10, and that's how my blogs looks right now. So another blog I just created about T-Series and PewDiePie. Now why you need to go and search about what are the training topic, because that is going to go and get a ranking, and that's how you can go and place ads on that blog and you can earn from that. So this is the simplest one, and this is modern design. It looks much more cleaner and people actually read all of the clean things. Right, so this is the plain text which actually given by a blogger itself. So I'm adding the video on that, and this is how. So after watching what kind of things you can post on blogs, let me just go and create another one. So I'm just going to create new blog. I'm just going to give the title. Let me just go and search what kind of a video I'm going to post and get promoted. So let me just go and search like what should I do. Okay, I'm going to go and post about Statue of Unity. So I'm going to go and create a blog on that. Right, so this is the Statue of Unity. I'm just going to create a blog on this post. So I'm just going to go and Control C. So let me just go and take the title. So this is the title, Control Copy. Right, so I'm just going to go back. This is my new blog. Let me just close both of them. This is the title of my new blog, and it is going to ask you for the address. So I'm just going to go and put like Statue of Unity. So this is going to be Statue of Unity, and it is going to give you the address of that. Statue of Unity blogs.com. So it's not available. Statue of Unity India. It is still not available. Statue of Unity details. So let's see if it is available. So Statue of Unity details, this blog is available. There are some times that people actually create a blog post on that, and that's the reason it has not been available. So for that, after that we have to go and search for themes. This is the themes which I showed about T-Series and PewDiePie. Let's just go and find the simple one. So this is the simple one which I just selected. I'm going to go with picture window. Click create post, click create blog. It is going to ask you, do you want a domain for that? I'm going to say no thanks, I don't want any domain of that. Alright, so this is the very basic one. Let's go with blog post. So this is how your blog post looks right now. So I'm going to go with and do some changes on that. So I'm going to go with pages, create new page. After that, I'm just going to go with this and copy this one. Control C. Comes over here, and then I'm going to click on insert a video from YouTube, paste this URL, search for that. This is the video, select that one. After that, I'm just going to go and copy. After that, just go back, take this one, copy this one, add this one, add the text. I'll add this one in the new line. This is how you can add the post. You can go with adding images. If you have any images, select that one. I'm going to go with any of that one. Internet famous. It's not, I don't have any image right now of world tallest one, so I'm just going to go and just for sample, I'm going to later add after this video. click on that one, added that one, and that's how you can go and add. This is just a sample image, alright, so don't make me like this is not right. Okay, so that's how you can go and add image, add logos, add a text. After that, if you want world taller statue, click on this one, click on bold, so this will be bold. If you want to do some editing of HTML, if you know HTML, after that what you have to do is this is going to be on the next line, so I'm going to click and enter. This is going to be my head, so this is going to be my header, so it becomes bigger one. After that, click on next one. You have the option of italic, if you have the option of underline. If you want, you can go and do all of the changes like changing color. So this is how it is going to be yellow, and yellow doesn't look good, so I will go with green, so it is green, so let's keep it on black. Alright, so that's how you can go and add links if you want to your website, add some emojis, add some special characters to that, and that's how simple it is to create a blog. After you have created, just click on publish and it will be online. So let's just go and click on view. So let's see how does it looks right now. So that's how the Statue of Unity looks right now, and this looks very small. So if you want, you can go and do some editing by can do some editing on that one as well by making it much more bigger and more smoother. So that's about it. That's how simple it is to create any blog, and it is for free. So another thing which I wanted to say was you can go with changing the themes. You can see how it looks on Windows and how it looks on mobile phone. If you want, you can go and change more themes on that one as well. So if you want watermark, just go and search for whatever things you like, whatever themes you like. You have the option of that. You can do some changes with that how it is going to be look. If you want, you can go with having an SSL certificate. You can go with post, and people can also comment on your video, so people can comment and you can reply on that, and you can go with that. Alright, so let's go with layout. So if you want, you can go and change by adding some widget by crossbar, adding something on sidebar, and you can also go and see the status that people are actually viewing your post or not. So that means people are actually watching your blog. So show at most post. So if you are going to go and create more and more on that, you can go and do that one as well. So that's how simple it is to create a blog. So it's a very nice way to go and publish it and share your knowledge with the audience using Blogger. So if you like to read, like to share, this is the good platform by Google itself. So that's about it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Best for content creator, let me tell you on that. See you in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.